Thank you everyone for coming. We are all gathered here for one of the most important events that the hospital has been waiting for a while. This water fountain, behind me, has just finished construction a couple of days ago, and now we're gearing up to activate the water. Ever since I was first elected as the mayor in 2016, I always accomplished goals and also announced many renovation plans in the settlement for many years. I wanted to show how proud we are to see a water fountain in the hospital, which has never existed since its foundation. I can now happily declare that the water fountain has been officially opened. Now it's my job for me to press this button that's on my desk, and once I press it, the water will be activated.
William? William? William, where are you? Are you alright?
Oh. My eyes. I can't see. I can't see anything at all.
What was that?
I just heard an explosion. We need to check outside.
Oh my God, no. The fountain.
What the hell just happened?
Laura, wait. Don't go near to the fire. It's too dangerous and you're gonna risk your life.
But I see a woman unconscious and I have to resuscitate her.
Leave it, alright. I'll call the police so that they can investigate the blast. And we'll try sending the casualties in the building so we can treat them.